Hi, Simon here from Hott Sauna. Today I'm going to show you how to pack away your sauna tent. And we can start with the roof. Go inside, pull it downwards. And then you can do the sides. Just push them inwards, like this. And when you get to the final side, you take the bottom corner and you push it upwards while simultaneously pushing this one inwards. Like this. And then you fold it up. And inside of your sauna bag you should have these two straps with clippers that you can use to strap around the tent. So this will make the tent a bit more compact so that it fits in the bag. Like that. All right, ready to go to the next spot.